Today, we're taking apart Apple's new A3607 140-watt USB-C fast charger. This new model arrives 5 years after the previous version. It looks almost identical to the older A2452, but it was designed for Apple's next-generation devices. So what upgrades and improvements are hiding inside? Let's open it up and take a closer look. The charger continues Apple's classic minimalist design. It features a glossy housing with smoothly rounded corners. It comes with foldable Chinese standard prongs. The prongs use a separate modular design. The module can be removed and replaced. A new metal clip has also been added inside the slot. This keeps the module more securely in place. The output end features a single USB-C port. The port uses a white plastic insert. Our measurements show a length of 96.04 millimeters. The width of it is about 75.09 millimeters, and the thickness of it is about 28.54 millimeters. It weighs about 285 grams. Its size and weight are nearly identical to the previous model. In terms of performance, the input supports a wide voltage range from 100 to 240 volts. It is compatible with the PD 3.1 fast charging protocol. It also supports a 15 to 28 volt 140-watt AVS voltage range. In our testing, it charged the iPhone 17 Pro Max at about 36.34 watts. It delivered up to 135.15 watts to a MacBook Pro. It easily activates full-power 140-watt fast charging, and it works with a wide range of Apple devices. Now let's begin the teardown. We cut along the side of the charger to open the housing. The housing is thick, with potting compound applied around the edges. This effectively protects and reinforces the internal module. The internal PCBA module is enclosed by two integrated metal shells. They help distribute heat evenly. The metal shells are secured with screws. Insulating tape is applied to several areas along the sides. The input wire connects to a T-shaped mounting bracket for grounding. Heat shrink tubing insulates the solder joints on the AC wire terminals. After removing the screws and taking off the metal shells, we can see a plastic cover over the transformer area of the module. Components such as the capacitors and chokes are secured with potting compound. After removing the plastic cover, there is also a plastic frame in the center for reinforcement and isolation. The front of the PCBA module has a compact and well-organized layout. The back contains the controllers and MOSFETs for the PFC boost circuit and LLC switching power supply. Two heat sinks are also installed at the input end. Two Infineon active rectifier MOSFETs are placed between them. As for the key components, 4 diodes at the input form a bridge rectifier. They work with custom Infineon 65C095C7 active rectifier MOSFETs. This improves rectification efficiency. The PFC controller is the NXP TEA19162T. It integrates an X-capacitor discharge function, and it operates with low power loss. It works with an Infineon 60C125C7 PFC MOSFET and a TSC TUAU6JH fast recovery rectifier. Together, they form a stable PFC boost circuit. The high-voltage filter electrolytic capacitor comes from Rubicon. It is rated at 450 volts and 82 microfarads. The power supply capacitor for the master control chip is also from Rubicon. It is rated at 35 volts and 47 microfarads. A custom ONSEMI SC530C driver controls an Infineon 60C185C7 MOSFET and an ST65PF6N2 MOSFET. A TI-SN74LVC2G14 inverter assists with circuit control. An ST-STM32G071KB MCU handles primary side power supply drive control. In the LLC switching power supply circuit, and ONSEMI driver controls two custom Infineon 60C190D LLC MOSFETs. They are paired with a Vishay resonant capacitor. The transformer is supplied by Sumida. Two optocouplers provide output voltage feedback and circuit protection. 4. Synchronous rectification. A custom ONSEMI TFV synchronous rectifier controller is paired with an ONSEMI NTMFS6H801NL synchronous rectifier MOSFET. The output filter uses a Leland capacitor rated at 35 volts and 680 microfarads. This helps ensure stable output. The protocol chip is a custom Infineon CYPD3135 developed for Apple. It was also the industry's first USB PD 3.1 fast charging protocol chip. It works with an AOS-AON6590A V-bus MOSFET. This provides precise fast charging protocol control and output switching. Finally, here is a list of the charger's key components. As we can see, Apple's new A3607 charger has no major external changes, but it includes several improvements to its internal details and component protection. These include the newly added metal clip for the prong module. The key components still come from leading brands such as Infineon, NXP, and ONSEMI. Several of these components are custom models developed for Apple. The circuit layout is compact and well organized, and the heat dissipation and protection systems are comprehensive. This ensures full power 140-watt fast charging performance. It also maintains Apple's consistent quality control standards, and it provides more stable fast charging support for Apple's next-generation devices.